Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change Air Arabia ticket date. The first thing I'd like you to do is to open your web browser and go to the official Air Arabia website. On the home page, head over and click on manage, and from manage just go and click on modify flight, and that's going to take you right into the modify flight page. And from this page, this is actually used to change your travel date or destination. So retrieve your booking by entering your reference or PN number and class name, the departure date, and once you're done, just go ahead and click on continue and take you to another window where you have to choose your departure hub or route. If required, you can click on search or click on retrieve booking to access your reservation. Now once your booking opens, select the flight that you want to modify and click modify flight or change flight. Now select your new preferred travel date, you can available calendar, review the flight available on your selected date, then choose the flight that best fits your travel plan. Review the fare details, and if the new flight costs more than the original booking, you'll be required to pay the fare difference. Depending on your fare type, modification fee may also apply. So carefully review your updated itinerary, including new travel date, the flight number, departure and arrival times, total amount due, if any. And of course, if there's an additional amount to pay, click on proceed to payment. Select your preferred payment method and complete the payment. Wait for the transaction to finish. Do not refresh or close your browser while the payment is being processed. And after your payment is successful, Air Arabia will display your updated booking confirmation with the new travel date. And of course, you will also receive an updated itinerary and booking confirmation by email. Save it or print it for your records. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.